Hey guys, today we're going to talk about some spider facts. Spiders have 7 main parts of their bodies. Think you can name them all? They have legs, 8 of them to be exact. They also have pedipalp. Pedipalp serve as the spider's hands and their nose at the same time. Not only do pedipalp help the spiders smell their food, it also acts as hands to help them eat. The stomach of the spider is called the abdomen, and the head of the spider is called the cephalothorax. That's a big word. Say it with me. Cephalothorax. Good. And spiders also have spinnerets. Here's a closer picture. Spinnerets are used to create the spider's strong silk web. Now the spiders have eyes. 8 eyes to be exact. Spiders' eyes can move in all different directions to help them protect themselves from their predators. And lastly, the spiders have fangs. Spiders use fangs to stab venom into their victims or to protect themselves from predators. Let's go over them. Spiders have legs, 8 legs. Spiders have 8 eyes, 2 pedipalp, fangs, spinnerets, abdomen, and the cephalothorax. Let's talk about spider webs. Did you know not all spider webs are alike? Here are 4 different types of spider webs. The first spider web we're going to look at is the funnel web. Spiders use funnel webs by hiding at the bottom and waiting for prey to fall in their funnel. Then they quickly move in to catch their lunch. This is a sheet web. Spiders that create sheet webs also spin a net of crisscross threads above the sheet, so that way when flies or insects fly by, they hit the net and fall in. They bounce off into the sheet web. The next web we have is a triangle web. As you can guess, it's a shape of a triangle. Spiders wait at one end of the web for the insect to land. When it does, the spider shakes the web so that the insect is caught and cannot escape. It helps them better get stuck onto their web. This is a tangle web. This is the ugliest web that you'll find. It doesn't really have a pattern. Tangled webs consist of crazy tangled patterns, and they have to attach to something stable, like the corner of your house. Cobwebs are tangled webs that have collected dust and dirt. Here are your vocabulary words for today. Number 1, fangs. Number 2, abdomen. Number 3, spinnerets. Number 4, cephalothorax. And 5, pedipalp. The black widow spider is the most poisonous spider in the United States, pictured on the left. You can tell a black widow apart by identifying the red hourglass shape as you see on this yellow arrow. It's placed underneath her belly. You can also look for the tangled web that these spiders create. If you see an ugly tangled web, there is a black widow hiding nearby. If you find one of these spiders, please walk away and call your parents. Again, this is the most poisonous spider in the United States. I hope you liked learning about spiders. Please practice your vocabulary words.